To customize how your PopCard looks, from the layout to the text, buttons, colors, images, and animations, head over to the Design tab. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. One quick thing to know before we start. The Design tab is organized into sections. What you see here may look slightly different depending on the PopCard type and format you chose earlier, and that's completely normal. You'll open one section at a time to edit things like text, buttons, images, or styling. For this walkthrough, we'll use a quick message PopCard with a text and image layout. This option gives you access to most of the design tools you'll use across different PopCards. First, choose a layout. Each layout changes how the image and text are arranged, so feel free to click through and pick one that fits your message and brand style. Once you've selected a layout, click Customize your PopCard to move to the next step. From here, open the PopCard text section. This is where you can update your heading and message. For example, a short promotion, an announcement, or a helpful reminder for your visitors. You can adjust the font, color, and size for both. Just keep everything clear and easy to read. At any point, you can click Preview to see how your PopCard looks so far. It's a great way to quickly check spacing, readability, and overall balance as you design. When you're done, click Back to return to the Design menu. Now open the Call to Action button section. Here, you can choose what your button says, something that clearly guides customers on what to do next. You can also set where the button leads, like a product page, a collection, or any page you want visitors to explore next. You can choose whether the link opens in a new tab, and adjust the button colors, font, and size to match your brand. Once you're happy, click Back again to return to the Design menu. That's it for PopCard text and buttons. In the next video, we'll continue customizing your PopCard by adding images, animations, and fine-tuning the overall style. If you need help at any point, click the Get Help button at the top right. Support is always right there when you need it. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.